Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get the hippo and what it does in Grow a Garden. So you get it from the safari shop. I don't remember how much it costs, like how many shekels it costs, but it is a legendary pet. Its passive ability is that every 8 minutes eats a watermelon and sells it for 1.5 times more value. Every 20 minutes applies the monsoon to a random crop. I've heard that it can give you back the seed, but I'm not sure if it's true now. Let's see. Okay, see? For bonus shekels with chance to get the seed back. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to get the monsoon, mutation, you will get it by using the hippo. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.